Ever wonder why some videos on TikTok explode with millions of views while others barely scratch the surface? It's a puzzle, isn't it? The enigma of virality. You might think it's all about showing your face or pulling outlandish stunts. But here's a revelation. It's not always about that. In fact, some of the most viral videos on TikTok have been faceless. That's right. Believe it or not, you can reach viral status on TikTok without ever showing your face. There's a common belief that to gain popularity on TikTok, you have to show your face. But is that really true? Now let's take a moment to debunk this myth. You might think, hey, if I don't show my face, how will I connect with my audience? But think about this. Have you ever been captivated by an epic voiceover or engrossed in a gripping animation? That's the power of faceless content. Now consider the realm of TikTok, a platform bursting with creativity. It's not just about faces, it's about content that resonates, that sparks curiosity. Faceless content is on the rise and it's making waves. It's breaking boundaries and offering creators a new, innovative way to express themselves. It's about the message, the story, the idea, and not necessarily about who's telling it. So, the notion that you need to show your face to be successful on TikTok, well, let's just say, it's a bit outdated. It turns out your face isn't the key to virality. If showing your face isn't the secret sauce, then what is, you might ask? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to dive into the world of faceless content creation. Firstly, let's talk about voiceovers. They are a powerful tool that can add a new dimension to your content. You might not be showing your face, but your voice can still convey emotions, humor, and information. It's all about creating a connection with your audience, and what better way than through the power of your voice. Next up, we have animations. These are a fantastic way to create engaging, eye-catching content. You see, animations aren't just for kids. They can tell stories, convey complex ideas, or simply make your audience laugh. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can create anything from a simple doodle to a complex 3D animation. The only limit is your imagination. Now let's talk about trending sounds. TikTok thrives on trends, and using trending sounds or songs can help your content reach a wider audience. Listen to what's popular, find a sound that suits your content, and get creative with it. Remember, it's not just about jumping on the trend, it's about making it your own. Last but not least, we have creative editing. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Use filters, play with speed, add text overlays. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique style. But remember, these techniques are not standalone solutions, but ingredients to your secret sauce. Combine them, play around, and see what works best for your content and your audience. And let's not forget about authenticity. It's not about hiding behind the faceless content, but about showing your unique perspective and voice. So don't be afraid to be yourself, even if yourself is a faceless creator. So there you have it, folks. The secrets to creating engaging, viral, faceless content on TikTok. It's not about the face you show, but the content you create and the connection you establish. It's the content that counts, not the face behind it. But there's one method that's proven to be a game changer in the realm of faceless TikTok content. Let's talk about an approach that's been taking TikTok by storm, and it's all about artificial intelligence. The fusion of AI with creative content has been nothing short of revolutionary, and it's turning the tide for faceless content creators. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, it's all about using AI to generate visuals that are captivating, unique, and most importantly, share-worthy. Think of it as creating a virtual actor that can perform in any scenario you dream up. This AI-driven content is not only intriguing, but also opens up a world of possibilities for storytelling and creativity. Take, for instance, the rise of AI-generated animations. These animations can take on any form, from simple 2D cartoons to complex 3D renditions, all without the need for a physical actor. With the right storyline and a catchy soundtrack, these AI-generated animations have been known to gain millions of views, likes, and shares. But it's not just about the visuals. AI is also being used to create unique audio experiences. By synthesizing voices, sounds, and music, creators are able to craft auditory landscapes that draw viewers in and keep them engaged. And the beauty of this method? It's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a coding genius or a tech whiz to harness the power of AI. There are plenty of tools and platforms out there that can help you create AI-driven content, even if you're a complete beginner. So, what does this mean for you as a TikTok creator? It means that the playing field has been leveled. You don't need a Hollywood production budget or an army of influencers to go viral. All you need is a good idea, a dash of creativity, and a willingness to embrace the possibilities of AI. And there you have it, the game changer in faceless TikTok content, the fusion of creativity and artificial intelligence. This method could be your ticket to virality. So what have we learned so far? We've debunked the myth that going viral on TikTok requires putting a face to the name. The beauty of this platform lies in its diversity and inclusivity, which means you can achieve success without ever revealing your identity. We've unveiled the secrets to creating engaging, faceless content. The use of dynamic voiceovers, captivating animations, trending sounds, and creative editing can all play a part in capturing the attention and curiosity of the TikTok community. We've also highlighted the game-changing technique that's been causing a stir in the world of faceless content. This method stands as a testament to the fact that virality is not about who you are, but about the content you produce. So, as we wrap up this discussion, let's reinforce this idea. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can go viral on TikTok without showing their face. Remember, the key to virality is not your face, but the content you create. Now that you're equipped with these strategies, it's your turn to put them into practice. Dive into the exciting world of faceless TikTok content. Try out these techniques, experiment with your style, and don't be afraid to push boundaries. Remember, every viral video starts with a single idea. Share your experiences, your triumphs, and even your challenges in the comments below. We're all here to learn and grow together. Can't wait to see the amazing faceless content you'll create.